The Google Pixel 7 Pro is every bit as good as the best smartphones from Apple and Samsung. It looks great, takes amazing photos, and stands out in a crowd. Google made lofty promises for this phone, and it delivers on the most important, even though some features aren't as good as we'd hoped, and others have yet to arrive. Google implements software features as art, and the Pixel 7 Pro improves the smartphone in areas we'd forgotten needed improvement. When the Google Pixel 7 Pro launched, Google didn't just say it would be the best Pixel phone ever, as it has with previous Pixel phones. This time around it said the Pixel 7 Pro would be the best smartphone you can buy, period. It would also, somehow, cost less than the best. Our list of the best phones you can buy is predictably topped by the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, with its superlative cameras and refined design. The Apple iPhone 14 Pro comes next, with its helpful software and extreme performance. Can Google really top Samsung's cameras and Apple's software without jacking up the price with expensive components? Yes, it can, but in a way that's different than we'd expect. The Pixel 7 Pro, with its Tensor G2 chipset optimized for Google-specific AI tasks, listens better, literally. It recognizes speech more accurately, making Google Assistant more useful. It translates foreign languages faster. It doesn't just make photos better, it makes them more clear and more inclusive, using real tone technology to enhance skin tones. It will soon make phone calls sound better. We're finally seeing the benefits of Google developing its own processing platform to match its OS. The Tensor G2, with better graphics capabilities than its predecessor, is unhesitating and smooth while running the Android 13 interface. Android feels mature and complete on this phone, and it's intuitive and snappy, enabling us to jump instantly to wherever we needed to be. While Samsung adds more and more features, and Apple keeps making things more streamlined and simple, Google takes a step back and uses its software prowess to improve some of the very basic things that phones have been getting wrong for a long time. The Pixel 7 Pro also supports wireless charging in both directions. You can charge the phone on a Qi-enabled charging pad, or you can place another device, like the Pixel Watch, on the back of the Pixel 7 Pro and pick up some extra juice using the phone's battery.